Welcome back to the Personal Branding course. This is our lecture called How to Find Opportunities in the Current Job Market. And I'll start this by outlining the available job sites, highlighting this as an example of how it makes sense to apply for dozens of jobs at the same time, since it's kind of a long shot that you only send one application and get hired immediately. So applying and diversifying your application portfolio by applying to many jobs that you are interested in, that fit your skill set, and again, that you are really interested in, is really important. Some of the available job sites specifically for games jobs here are jobs.gamasutra.com, as well as gamedevmap.com and jobs.gamesindustry.biz. Then there are the larger sites that also offer jobs of other industries, but you can filter them down to, for example, computer hardware, computer software, or computer video games, so that you can find the industry that, well, you want to work in, right? These sites, for example, are Indeed or LinkedIn, and of course, Twitter. Twitter, you might not really think about it as a site where you can find job openings, but trust me, Twitter, there's a lot of people on there that work in the games industry that whenever there is an opening in the company that they work for, they will post this on Twitter for a chance to find that right person for this job that they can maybe help finding the next new member on their team, or maybe they are even the hiring manager. It definitely doesn't hurt to always keep an eye out on Twitter as well if you're looking. There's certain hashtags as well, like games jobs, game jobs. Just look for them and you will find multiple hundreds of jobs that are being posted there every single day, so that encouraged professionals can find a new opportunity in the industry. There's one thing, though, that I really want to outline here when I'm talking about applying to multiple jobs. You know, the industry, it's hard to find a job here. But even harder are our job descriptions and job roles. A community manager or a marketing manager, for example, does not have to be the exact same thing at the exact same company. For Gigabyte, for example, my role is called a community and marketing manager, but essentially I am their community and marketing management director for the UK and Ireland. This is not the case with other companies. In other companies, a community manager might only handle social media. In my case, I also handle event management and PR and influencer relations. This really comes down to the individual company and job roles, which means no job role will be exactly the same as the last one just because it has the same title. It is really important here that you look out for the exact descriptions. What are you supposed to do? What is happening in that job? What do they require from you? Because again, just because it is called a community manager, for example, does not mean that that role is exactly the same as the role you have right now or the role that you viewed last. It really depends from company to company. So this is very important to keep in mind here. Okay? Thank you for understanding that. Again, it is very important to consider that because the industry is, it's such a small space, but at the same time, every company defines things differently. And that's kind of it on identifying opportunities in the current job market. I've given you all the sites available. They will be also available via motion graphics flying in the comments under this lecture. And with that, I'll finish it off here and we'll go straight into the next lecture where we'll be talking about the key roles in the industry. And I'll see you over there.